Whew. Now it's time for everybody's favorite part of the process. It's the sewer hose.
Ew.
All right, so first we're gonna locate our sewer hose. So follow me. You're gonna look for one of these right here. And they'll unscrew. You might need a little tool to help it along in some parks, but that's what you're looking for. Don't unscrew it yet unless you like to breathe in sewer gas. No. Okay, so step one to the sewer hose is we're gonna get your sewer rack. So this is important. We wanna keep the sewer hose off the ground and straight as can be. We don't want it snaking on the ground and doing all that stuff because things get trapped in there, makes for a bad time. So this is why that's important. So we're gonna go ahead and take off there. And you're gonna see it's actually sloped. So high side to low side. So we can have a nice little slope. So this is a gravity fed system. There's no pressure behind it. It's all from gravity. So we want it to go high to low. So we set this down. We're gonna look under here. We're gonna find where the hose comes out. And we'll go over the levers, the black and the gray in a minute, but right now we're worried about the connection, all right? That's gonna come from here, the hose. So we're gonna take our rack, we're gonna start it here, and we're going to just bring it to our location. There. And do all right, so where's the hose? Well, look at that. It's hidden in the bumper. You see it in there. Now, you can pull it out like this. Working on this, you might have to wiggle it a little bit to get it out. Just got to get past that point. What in the world? That's stuck. I got it in there just fine. Now it just won't go past that point. So sometimes you might get a little stuck, need a little help. I got this crescent wrench in there. Don't go too hard on it, but you give it a little wiggle to get it out of there if your fingers can't do it. So this tool will be right in there. So just gently pull your hose out, so to speak, and boom, there you are. Okay, so there's 20 feet in here, two 10-foot sections. So depending how close or far away you are, you could just use one section or you could use both. You want this extended as much as you can. You don't want it, like I said, in a big snaky mess. So if you look closely, one side is going to have these like beveled edges, and one side is going to have these like a claw looking thing, okay? And you'll be able to tell where at the hookup point what goes in. It's like a puzzle, okay? So normally you should wear gloves. I will wash my hands after this, so wear gloves. So I'm gonna pull this out, just a nice little turn. Okay. And see, this one has the beveled edges here, so that means the claw will go here, and you push it on and you give it a little turn until it clicks into place. All right, and you're going to extend your hose out, place it in the tray. You might have to maneuver the tray around a little bit. One of the things I've always learned is you want to put a little P-trap right here, right at this part right here, so it keeps water in this gap right here or anywhere along here. If you can make a P-trap, that keeps odor from going back in. But we're going to have you a good tip. We have another valve that we can kind of keep the stench from coming on as well. So as you can see, we didn't make it all the way, so we're going to bring our other hose. It's got those beveled edges, got the claw. I'm going to go ahead and put that in and extend it to the desired length. Another pro tip, if you have the caps on, it kind of has an airlock. It doesn't allow it to extend. There you have it. So we're gonna put it there. It's falling out of our tray. So we're gonna, and you can do this last, put it in the tray last, to save you from it dumping over all the time. So if you tell on this one here, it's got 3 layers of threads. That's for the different sizes of pipes in the ground. So whichever size is there, this thing should go in like that. We're gonna go ahead and screw it in like this until it's tight. And you're like, oh wow, that went all the way around, it's facing the wrong way. You can take this off and put it in these grooves right here. It's got grooves right here, so it faces the right direction. Sometimes you gotta work it in there, lock it into place, and then here comes your connector here. And you're hooked up.